Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here's a special Corvette. This is for collectors and enthusiasts, but this is the real deal. Very well documented, number matching. There's a 427 tri-power under the hood. There's a 4-speed transmission sitting there. It's got a 355 posi in back, and they're all number matched to this car. This beautiful blue color you see, it's original to this car. And it is documented with what they call the tank sticker and the Protecto plate. Visit volocars.com and you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars and they're all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 427 Corvette tri-power. Yeah, underneath the car is very respectable. Actually, better than that. It's very clean underneath. The frame and chassis, all that's in really nice shape. All the components are clean. It has disc brakes at all four corners. The original 4-speed transmission. Now the Protecto plate was for warranty purposes. So the engine codes, rear end codes, and transmission codes are on here. When you brought the car in for warranty work, they checked the codes to make sure it was the same one that they sold you with the car. So the codes on here match all the components I told you about, the motor, the trans, and the rear. So it's a Muncie 4-speed, original to the car. It's a 355 rear end, original to the car, dated to the car. It's unique to a 427. So yeah, underneath the car is very clean and respectable. International Blue is the name of the color. I honestly never even heard of that before. It is the color that this car came with, and it's in beautiful shape. The body's in really nice shape. This is the L88 hood, so someone added the L88 hood at some time. The fiberglass isn't as smooth as the rest of the car, so there is a little more fuzziness on the hood itself. The car itself, the metal flake is laid out, and it's very smooth and glossy. It's a beautiful blue. Emblem looks new. Bumper looks re-chromed. It has the weather shields that protect the headlights are still there, so all that's in really great shape. Headlights fit really nicely. 15 by 8 wheels, they're in excellent shape. The trim is shiny. BF Goodrich tires have a lot of tread on them. This is all real nice. The rocker molding's real nice. This is a real nice gap. This one piece of trim across here, I don't know what happened there, but it's like a different shade of blue and it's just not as nice. So that trim you may want to have repainted to make it really nice. Windshield looks like a good original. I can see some real faint wiper marks, but it's good. Door handle looks new. Yeah, the rest of this paint's really very, very nice. New emblems, new bumpers. Bumpers sit nice and level. License plate frame, tail lights, all that looks new. Everything back here is beautiful. It's got the correct antenna. I don't know if you know this, but the rear window pops out of these and there's a storage tray. They pop right out and you store them under there. You take the T-tops off, practically got a convertible. 68 was the only year with the push button to open the door. But look how nice the gaps are. The body and paint is actually really nice. The hood is a 7 out of 10. This piece here, I would repaint it if it were me. The interior is very tidy. The door panels look brand new. The seats look brand new, and the cushions too. They're nice and plump. The motor is the 427 400 horse tri-power. It has stock manifolds. The carburetors were just rebuilt. Looks like a new vacuum can. This operates the headlights and the wiper door. clutch fan is stock. The valve covers look original. Numbers matching on the block. They match the car. Everything in here is very clean and tidy. The motor itself looks very clean. The center console is very nice. The heater controls, they're original. They're a little bit aged, but everything around it, the carpet, the dash pad, the pillars, steering wheel, all that's in really nice shape. Carpet front to back is excellent. We start her up. Original radio, all the instruments are real nice and clean. Shows 56,000 miles. The vent balls are nice and shiny. Has the original style shifter with the reverse lockout. A little cold-blooded. All the gauges are lit up nicely. Yeah, these are muscle cars, so they take a minute to warm up. I also wanted to point out we do have the triangular, the original air cleaner that would be on a tri-power. It doesn't work with this hood. Right now they are actually using this cowl induction. It goes around this air cleaner, which is adapted to those carburetors. So if you wanted to make it completely right, you would change the hood. The air cleaner comes with it. The L88 hood's kind of cool to have, and it is, right now, it is a cowl induction system. So anyway, got an exceptionally nice, great colors, documented, double documented, tank sticker and protective plate, numbers matching 427 tri-power. It needs a couple little things that I mentioned to you, but overall this is a really nice car. Door jambs are painted nice, weather strips look like they're new. Yeah, very, very nice. Visit volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car, but feel free to ask any specific questions or concerns to the salespeople, and they'll make this easy for you. The shipping, the financing, paperwork, they can help with all that. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.